Hisense Portable Air Conditioners use a sophisticated refrigerant system to cool your room. Understanding how this system works helps you maintain optimal performance and identify potential issues. The refrigeration cycle involves four key stages. First, liquid refrigerant in the evaporator coil absorbs heat from room air, causing it to evaporate into gas. This process cools the air that circulates back into your room. Next, the compressor pressurizes and heats the refrigerant gas. This hot, high-pressure gas then moves to the condenser coil, where it releases heat to the outside air and condenses back into liquid, completing the cycle. Portable air conditioners are sealed systems, meaning the refrigerant should never need refilling under normal operation. If your unit isn't cooling properly, it typically indicates a refrigerant leak rather than low refrigerant levels. Modern Hisense units use environmentally friendly refrigerants like R410A or R32. These newer refrigerants have significantly lower global warming potential compared to older types like R22, and they're also more energy efficient. Always check your unit's specification label to identify the correct refrigerant type. This information is crucial for any professional service. Remember, attempting to recharge refrigerant yourself is not recommended due to safety risks and environmental regulations. When your Hisense portable air conditioner isn't cooling effectively, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. The most common cause of poor cooling is a dirty air filter. Filters should be cleaned or replaced every 2 weeks during regular use, as dirty filters severely restrict airflow and reduce cooling efficiency. Dirty evaporator coils can cause icing and significantly reduce cooling performance. Regular coil cleaning prevents frost buildup and maintains optimal heat transfer. Proper drainage and exhaust hose connection are crucial for efficient operation. Check for clogs in the drain line and ensure the exhaust hose is properly connected without kinks or air leaks. Run your unit in fan-only mode for 30 minutes occasionally to dry internal components and prevent mold growth. If these maintenance steps don't resolve cooling issues, you may have a refrigerant leak that requires professional attention. With proper care, Hisense portable air conditioners can last 8 to 10 years or more. Schedule professional deep cleaning every 4 to 6 months for optimal performance and longevity.